Hi, and welcome to the navigation panel tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to demonstrate how we can organize the navigation panel by creating a research group, folders, subfolders, and objects. For example, a germplasm set, phenotypic study, and a field. It's very important for users to have a well-organized navigation panel that will allow them to easily browse through their breeding data, but of course, each organization may arrange it according to its own needs. So first, let's start with the research group, which is the main workspace for research conducted on a specific topic. It may represent a crop, but it can also represent an organization, a department, a laboratory, and more. To create a research group, we will have to stand on the mine, go to Action, and add a research group. The Create Research Group form will open, which will allow us here to provide it a name, which is mandatory. We can also add a description, a code, a primary research name, email, and phone number. So first, let's give it a name. For our example, we will create a potato research group and now click OK. On the left side will appear your new research group. And now we can start and add the folders and subfolders and create a kind of hierarchy that will contain different types of items and objects. So for example, now we would like to add programs. I stand on the research group, go to Action, and add a main folder. Let's call the first one Breeding. We can add again a description and a code. Once we're done, we click OK, and it will appear under the research group Potato Breeding. Another main folder I would like to create will be variety testing. So again, I'm going to stand on the research group level, Action, Add Folder, and call this one Variety Testing. Click OK. Now that I have my two main folders, I can start adding subfolders. But this time, I'm not going to stand on the research group level, but on the main folder itself. So now I'm standing on Breeding, go to Action, add a folder, and this time I'm going to call it Friends. And now I'm going to add another breeding program, Netherlands. Under these subfolders, I can also add another subfolder, which actually will be the years. So here I'm going to add 2022, and I'm going to add also 2023. In variety testing, which is my main folder, I would like to add also subfolders. I'm going to stand on variety testing, go to Action, Add Folder. This one will be Stage 1. And I would like also to add Stage 2. Now that we have created our main folders and subfolders, I can also hide and show them with a little plus at any given time. But now it's time also to add some objects. So for Friends 2023 in the breeding program, I would like to add a germplasm set, which is a list of germplasm and their passport data. To do that, I will stand on my relevant folder, go to Action, and add the germplasm set. The germplasm set form will open, and I will have to give it a name. So now I'm going to call it Name Lines 2023. And click OK. Another item I can add is a phenotypic study. I can click on 2022, go to Action, and add a phenotypic study. A phenotypic study is actually the object that you will load from a CSV file with the germplasm list and their phenotypic observations. So this one I'm going to call Lines Observation 22. And click OK. Now I can also create a field, which is the object that will represent your trial. It can be a greenhouse, an open field, a lab, and more. To do that, again, I'm going to stand on my folder, go to Action, and add a field. The Create a Field form will open, and I will give it a name. So here I'm going to call it Selections 2023. Click OK. And here it is. Now, at any given time, after you have finished to create and organize your navigation panel, you can also reorder and change the place of your objects. For example, a drag and drop. I would like to drag lines observation 22 to the subfolders 2023. So I'm just going to stand on it and drag it to the folder. Once I release, it will be added automatically to the subfolders 2023. Another option I have also is to reorder at any level. If I stand on my folder, go to Action and Reorder, I will be able to rearrange also my objects over here. I can change their place by just drag and drop. Once I click OK, you will be able to see it on the navigation panel. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much.